Hello students, welcome to online classes of Semstar Global School. I am Fizza Akhtar. We were doing this poem, The Road Not Taken. This is the last part of the chapter. We are on the fourth stanza and let's see what the poet says about this. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere, ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Till now, what we had seen is the speaker is reflecting. He was in the flashback and he was reflecting on this plan that why he has not taken the other road, and if he should ever come back to the same point from where he started. But that was looking a kind of impractical thing. So he was just reflecting on that whether his decision was correct or not. But what was happening in this stanza was that he is reflecting on his future. He is thinking about his future now. Now these two lines, I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. So the speaker is saying that he will tell his story, his experience, somewhere ages and ages hence. That means somewhere after years and years. We don't know the exact time, but yes, he will tell it after some years. And he'll be telling it with a sigh. Now that sigh can either be a happy one, if his decision he thinks is good for him, or it can be a sad one if he will regret his decision. But we don't know what will be the kind of the sigh. That will probably be on the choice that he has made, on the decision that he has made. So it all depends on the speaker. The next line is, two roads diverged in a wood, and I. Now this line is the repetition of the line that we had seen in the first stanza, the first line of the poem. The only difference is yellow word is missing and I is added. Apart from that, the whole line is same. But this repetition is important. It is important because it is reminding us of the concept of the poem. And the concept is to decide between the two paths, to make a choice, a decision between two paths. Now in the next line, the speaker is going to tell his final decision. And he says, I took the one less travelled by. Now the speaker sums up his whole story and tells us that he took the road less travelled by the people. But his declaration could either be victorious or it can be regretful also. But we don't know. So that is why in the last line he says, and that has made all the difference. Now at the very first glance, a person can say that this is a positive line and the difference he is talking about is what we can call success of his life. But he has not mentioned success anywhere. He just said that has made all the difference. This difference can either be taken as success, it can also be taken as failure. The speaker will say all these things in future. He is going to tell us in future. So he also don't know whether his future is going to be good for him or bad. But what he is saying right now is the choice. The choice that he has made is important, and that is all that has made all the difference. So I hope this much is clear to everybody. We had completed the poem. Those who have not understood, please see all the parts. Keep studying, keep revising. I'll see you soon. Take care. Thank you.